This video was made possible by Mizizi International, the official African diaspora clothing brand. Visit mizizishop.com for more information. ECOWAS, the regional bloc of West Africa, was taken by surprise when Burkina Faso, Niger, and Mali declared their withdrawal from the community. The regional bloc, which has faced challenges in restoring democracy in these nations, is now urging the junta-led governments of Burkina Faso, Niger, and Mali to reconsider the departure from the political and economic alliance. The regional bloc has cautioned the countries and the military leadership that their decision to exit the alliance will result in negative repercussions for their citizens. Before we dive into our topic today, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channels and ringing the bells to be notified about all our exciting future videos. On January 28, the self-appointed military leaders of three countries collectively declared their withdrawal from the bloc, citing pressure from ECOWAS to reinstate constitutional order following a series of coups. Their exit poses an additional challenge to ECOWAS, which has been grappling with the erosion of democracy in West Africa since the military takeover in Mali in 2020. Part of the rationale behind the withdrawals lies in ECOWAS's firm stance against military regimes in these countries, which has included the imposition of sanctions. On Thursday, foreign ministers of the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, convened a special meeting to address the withdrawal of Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger from the regional bloc. The hasty decision of withdrawal of membership of ECOWAS did not take into account the conditions for withdrawal. ECOWAS Commission President Omar Touré said in his opening remarks. Touré emphasized that ECOWAS is not merely an institution, but a community striving to promote unity among its member states. Touré did not specify which conditions for withdrawal had been overlooked. However, it's worth noting that member states seeking to withdraw are required to provide a written notice of 1 year. Yusuf Tugar, Nigeria's foreign minister and chair of the Mediation and Security Council, conveyed to the extraordinary session of the Mediation and Security Council at the ministerial level that ECOWAS remains steadfast in its commitment to upholding democracy in the region and across the African continent. He said that ECOWAS's determination to tackle these challenges highlights the bloc's collective resolve to uphold the democratic ideals upon which the organization is founded. The juntas announced their intention to depart without delay, asserting that they did not consider themselves bound by treaty obligations. Individually, they stated that ECOWAS had breached its own protocols by implementing overly harsh sanctions such as border closures following the coup. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the New Africa channel for more exciting future videos.